Procevine saline is different from P.O.P saline. Hear it from the engineer.
So, Oga, you say this one with the CISO, not be normal P.O.P when we dey use so?
No, it's polystyrene filling. It looks like P.O.P, but it's polystyrene filling.
Polystyrene filling.
Yes.
Okay, so Oga, make you tell us about them.
Okay, so the filling you're seeing is polystyrene filling. It's made from this polystyrene board. This is just a small piece of it.
Okay.
This is a small piece of it. The full board comes as 8 feet by 4 feet from the factory. So now this is polystyrene board. That's what is used to make this polystyrene filling. What is the advantage of polystyrene filling? Number one, it is water resistant. It is water resistant. We all know that P.O.P, we have been using it for years. It's a good material. We all know it's very good, very durable, okay? But one of the weaknesses of P.O.P is that it is not water resistant. So if there's any leakage in your building or your roof, it will start damaging your P.O.P ceiling. It will melt from that place and eventually collapse. But polystyrene ceiling is water resistant. Let me show you a small demonstration, if I could do that. For example, now if I take this and pour water on it, okay, I'm pouring water on it, nothing is not going to damage it. Nothing is going to happen to it at all, no matter how much water I put on it, on anything. So this is polystyrene board and polystyrene filling. So it is water resistant, number one. Then number two, it is lightweight. It is lightweight, okay? You have all seen stories of some ceilings collapsing on people, maybe for no reason at all. It just, without warning, ceiling will just collapse.
P.O.P or your fault.
Yes, it just happens like that. Polystyrene ceiling is lightweight. It is not going to fall. It is not going because of that weight. Anything that is above, that is like acted upon by gravity, it's better to use something lighter. So lighter is often better. That's why today when people are making things, they make it lighter. Aeroplanes are made lighter. They don't. If aeroplane is too heavy, it won't fly. So polystyrene is lighter, so you don't have the fear of it collapsing. It's a very good and very durable ceiling type. Okay. The other advantage of polystyrene ceiling, the other advantage is that it reduces noise and heat in a building. This material is used for insulation. For those of you that live abroad, you will notice that the wall of your building, there's a particular white material. They either use polystyrene or rock wool, but polystyrene is one of the major materials used in attics for insulation. So it reduces noise and heat in a building. So those are the three main advantages of polystyrene ceiling. Number one, it is water resistant. Number two, it is lightweight. It will not collapse over time. Number three, it reduces noise and heat in a building. That's it.
Okay. So all these particular things when you talk, so now the thing where this one take better pass the normal P.O.P when we used to.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Oga, if you still tell us this particular one, get any advantage, a disadvantage rather?
Okay, well, the seeming disadvantage, the one people often talk about is the one of fire. Let's talk about that. If that's the only one, they'll say, okay, P.O.P is good to resist fire, this one cannot resist fire. Okay, let's talk about that one. Now, first of all, the thing about fire, there's no material that is fully fire resistant. Okay? Fire is about intensity and duration. If the intensity and the duration is high, fire will consume anything. Fire destroys anything and everything as long as the intensity is high enough. That's why if you see a building burn fully, you won't see anything remaining. You won't see the P.O.P ceiling or any other ceiling remain. Okay, that's number one. So keep that in mind, that there's no real material or any ceiling that is fully fire resistant. It's just about maybe the fire intensity and things like that. Now, for the polystyrene board, you might say, okay, this material might be very inflammable and all, but this material, you can see, as you see up here now, can you see this? Can you notice that this board? You can't see the board, Nabi, because it is coated with the same P.O.P cement. We use the same P.O.P cement and those P.O.P materials to do a coating on that layer. That helps to protect the board and make it more fire resistant. So it makes it more fire resistant. So it's not just flammable like that. The other reason why the other point is this. You know, they say seeing is believing, and like what you have tasted is like that. Those that have used polystyrene filling in their houses for years, they've not had any complaint. They have not called us or said, my house is on fire. It's polystyrene filling that caused the fire. No, if people have done that, you would have seen those reports. Okay, polystyrene filling is very safe. That is why governments all over the world, engineers and architects, they know about it, they use it. It is approved globally for construction in different aspects of construction. So that's it. Polystyrene filling is very safe, and that's it. Thank you.
Okay. So, Oga, make you take us around this particular beautiful walk.
Okay.
When you use this polystyrene filling to do.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the entrance lobby. This is the design. All these things you are seeing is from the screening, from the stains, from the plastering and all that. Okay, it wasn't there normally. So that's it. So this is the entrance will be very
nice. Once they do painting, everything will clear.
Yes, exactly. Okay. So that's
check on small.
Good. So let's come to the living room. You can see the design here in the living room. It's a circular design. Okay. Okay, so you can see the very nice design. The client is the one that really chose this design, and we delivered and made it come out well. So all of them have that strip, that rope lights. They all have it all around. Okay, they all have it all around. You can see the design here, very nice, very beautiful. The client chose this particular design. You can see it has rope lights inside of it. Once you put the rope lights, it becomes very, very beautiful and very amazing as well.
Okay, so this particular one, the clients may choose them.
Yes, the client chooses it. And polystyrene, you can do any design. People say, can you do fine design? Yes, yes. Any design you bring up, it can do it.
Okay, so we're going here now, where?
So here's the kitchen. Here's the kitchen, the simple design that the clients desired. Here's the kitchen.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, then let's come over to the dining. Here's the dining. Okay, another nice simple design here. Very beautiful, but by the time you put the rope light and all that, it really brings out the beauty.
Okay, so you say polystyrene has to bring out this TV console?
Yes, yes, yes. This TV console is made from this same polystyrene board.
Wow.
You might say, how can polystyrene do this in this material that is light? It is then coated front and back to make it tough and solid. It's called, locally we call it gashing. So that's it. So this polystyrene can do, when you go to the other, this is a simple design. When you go to the other rooms, you see more curved design that we did there.
Okay, let's okay. Check out once more they go.
So let's go on to the lobby. So you can see the design we did here. Okay, very nice design. Once you put the rope lights, there are rope lights in there, there are point lights. It's very beautiful. Okay, let's go on to this first room. Okay, you can see the design here.
Okay.
There's a TV console here. It's also made from polystyrene.
Which is this one?
No, these rooms are smaller, so they have a smaller TV console. Okay, made from polystyrene. Yes. And then let's move on to this next room.
This one, another beautiful one.
Yes, very nice design.
TV console, see this one?
Yes, there's a smaller TV console, very small, because the room didn't have that much space. Okay, it's a small TV console here.
Okay.
You can look at the toilets, take a look at the toilets.
Wow.
Yes.
So no design when this particular polystyrene of it.
Yes, can do very amazing design. When you want to write your name or design something, draw something in the ceiling, polystyrene ceiling can do that. Okay. So this is it.
Okay.
Yes.
This one too. Yeah. Another beautiful.
Yes, very nice design. TV console made from polystyrene board. Because there's no light now, you can see. Come closer, you can see all the lights all here. So when you put it on, it's very, very beautiful, very amazing. But there's no lights now. NEPA, wahala.
Now you create that space there.
Which one?
The light. Or I've been electrician do that.
No. The lighting, because this thing is delicate, we do both the lights and everything together. Okay, so we'll fix the light, install it so that there will be no mix up. So this is yes, so we do the TV console, yeah. So this is it.
Okay. So other one see the one you want to show us?
I think that's basically it's a small, very portable building. They hook the door, that door is locked, yes. Okay.
Okay, so we don't see the work when you do for this our viewer, and we'll get the blessing at the best now you offer.
Yeah.
Okay. So if our viewers need you, may come work for other parts of the country, especially the West, or your Ogun, when we do so Lagos and Kwara, if you go there, go work.
Absolutely, yes, we can.
Okay, so if you see tell our viewers this particular polystyrene, how much it cost?
Okay, for the polystyrene work, material plus labor, it is 9,500 naira per square meter. Per
square meter?
Yes.
Okay.
The only other thing the client will provide, you provide water again, and you provide the wood for scaffolding. The wood will stand on top. Those are the only other two things you provide.
Okay. So this particular one, is it join the square meter when we talk?
No, this one is not calculated per square meter, it's calculated separately. Okay, yes.
So if person want to do this kind of one, how much it cost?
It depends on the length. So it's not a fixed per square meter, but it depends on the length and the designs and how many light bulbs. For example, now, if you look, all these plates have light bulbs
All the up.
All the up, even all the bottom, everywhere there's a lot of light. So all those things affect the prices. Okay, so we can't give a definite price. And for this building, all the TV consoles were summed up together.
Okay.
Together, yeah.
So if you tell us the amount for the TV console.
For all the TV consoles, for all the rooms, both this one and all the other rooms, the total amount we did it then was it was 900,000.
900,000.
Yes, 900,000.
And you say per square meter of this one, now 95.
95.
So how many square meters did this particular building?
This house has 135 square meters.
135 square meters.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna make you give us your phone number in case our viewers they want issue.
Okay, my phone numbers are number 1 080-7360-2493. Then the second one is 080-600-38853.
Okay, so our viewers all over the world, we thank you now for the time when I tell you watch our videos.